Let's find out today. What made the connector industry usher in as the 5.5G era approaches? Let's look at the internal structure of the connector. There are small components in electronic devices, but their role is very important. Connectors are used in mobile phones, computers, and various electronic devices. It plays a key role in connecting and transmitting signals. Now, with the advent of the 5.5G era, the connector industry is facing a major opportunity. This is because 5.5G technology requires higher data transfer speed and accuracy. This requires more advanced connector manufacturing processes, and the reliability of the connector is also crucial. They must work in a variety of environmental conditions, so the future of the connector industry is very exciting. It will provide critical support for connectivity needs in the 5.5G era. Keep learning and exploring electronics.